Saturday night and I got a frantic date. It's the only night my chickens stay out late. We're gonna wheel on out to the Sunset Strip. There's a spot out there where all the cats flip. A sax man there that wails the most. He's known as Daddy-O, coast to coast. Once he starts grooving with that crazy beat, he'll have you rocking right off your seat. This place has atmosphere like no hut has. The coffee's hot, but man, they cool the jazz. The room is dark, but we've all seen the light. This trip to Moonsville is a real gone sight. You just take it slow when the music ends. If you drop to earth too fast, you get the bends. You've never been, you just haven't made the trip till you spent a Saturday night on Sunset Strip. Baby, this is the only way to fly.